Hi and welcome back to this video. In the last video, we talked about Getresponse lists and you saw how to add new subscribers on your list, how you can import contacts into your list. In this video, let's talk about forms. Now, forms are the sign-up forms that you use to collect subscribers. So you can use these forms on your website. You can also just use them on Getresponse. So even if you don't have a website, you can still collect subscribers just by sharing the link of the form once you create it. And I'm going to show you how you can do all this in Getresponse. So let's start by clicking on forms. You can go straight ahead and start creating forms by clicking on this button, or you can come here under forms and surveys. If you see this, it just means that you don't have any forms yet. And you see you can create a form or you can create a survey. So I'm going to click on create form. So here you can see that we have different types of forms. You can create different types of forms in Getresponse. So we have the list builder apps. These are templates that you can just click on and you can start editing the template. And once you're done editing, you can share the link or you can embed it on a web page on your website. We also have this called list builder apps, and these are also forms that you can create. So you can see these are specialized forms. If you want to create an exit pop-up, you want to create maybe a download box, you want a form that shakes, and you want any of these other forms. So if you want any of this, you can create them and then you can embed them wherever you want to embed them. We are going to look at some of these as examples just to see how to work with them. And we also have plain HTML. So maybe you just want to create a form that you can take the code and style it on your own. Maybe you want to paste it on a website that you're building and you want to style it on your own. So this is something for advanced HTML and CSS users. If you have HTML and CSS skills, then you can take this code and then put it on a web page. Maybe you're building a landing page with HTML and CSS and you just want something that is simple like this. You will take this, put it on the web page, and you can style it however you want. And then we also have integration. So if you want to integrate Getresponse, you want to add a sign-up form on your Facebook page, you can do that as well. If your page is more than 2,000 subscribers, you can add a Facebook form and you can download a WordPress plugin and embed it and add forms, and you'll get various Getresponse features using the WordPress plugin. If you use PrestaShop to run your e-commerce website, then you will also get a module that you can use. Joomla, WooCommerce, and Drupal, any of this, if you use them, you can get the integration plugins, and this will give you various functionalities that you can do with Getresponse. So once you connect them, once you integrate them with Getresponse, you'll be able to create forms. Some of this you can send subscribers to your Getresponse lists and so much more. So we're going to look at WordPress and Facebook in this example once we get here. So the first one we'll start with will be list builder apps. And so in the next video, I'm just going to choose any one of these, and then we're going to see how we can edit this form so that it matches our branding. And then after that, we're going to see how we can share the link, and we're going to see how we can embed this on our WordPress website if we have a WordPress website. So I will see you in that next video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.